Hey guys, Johnny here. We got some Hot Wheels and we have the race crates. Super excited for this one. This one's definitely something. It's gonna be fun, and even the cars are excited. Look, they're coming for it. I might need to get another one just so I can have some kind of knockout type thing. I ain't gonna be that big of a deal. There's 2 cars in here, so. Okay, Joker, look at that nice handle right there, if you call that a handle. The instructions are on the crate itself, I think. But the crate itself is the race. I love that Hot Wheels does that. It's not just as simple as scissors required, by the way. So you can break off these stupid things like this. But, you know, it's... You know, I like it when they objectify the area. So they use the pieces of the actual thing to create the track. It's more than just what it is now. Okay. So, all this is part of the track, every single bit of it. Okay, so you fold it out, and then it comes out even more, somehow. There's the instructions. There's the finish line. There's some launchers. I probably won't be using launchers. I'll probably be using just the top, but you have a, excuse you, you have a option to do it just like this. Well, that's how you open it. So you have 2 options to race it. You have a drop option, a launch option, so a drop option into the loops, or a launch option into the loops, or you forget the loops and just have a little hill. So you have several options here. I kind of like the option with the hill. Not the hill, but the loop. It's kind of cool. But see, you just take it all apart. All your pieces are here. There's our 2 cars. Now I've got to figure out how to assemble it. I'll show you the 2 cars here in just a second. Is that a Roadhog? I think everything's a Roadhog anymore. This is a RD08. That's why he looks familiar. And this is a prototype H24. It's a kind of nice car right there. Okay. So, and we got extenders. I want the option to where, okay, so it all comes apart one way or the other. Finish line goes on top of the extension, obviously. I think that's obvious at least. Just like this. Ta-da! There it is. And then should bring them down. Hopefully this works a little bit better in my 4-lane now, because it's got, that got worn out. They all release about the same speed. Might attach that to my 4-lane then. No, because that's already attached to it, so. Okay, well then we have to take the loop. This is AA. This is BB. One of these are BB. So BB then attaches to AA. Just like so. Maybe. Maybe not. Hopefully so. Not quite sure what's going on. Maybe this way? I'm not sure. I'm confused. I'm a little confuzzled. How this is supposed to attach. Okay, hold on. It's, oh, this piece. So that side of AA, so it'll be like this, and this side of BB. So the letters face away from you when you're assembling it, most likely. There's the snap I was looking for. And then CC, it then attaches to this BB. And there's your loop. It's a loop-de-loop. And pull. Your shoes are looking cool. Okay. How are we supposed to deattach all this? Hold on. So, yeah, so this comes up like so. Oh! So you slide right into this, and down, there it is, or up, pull, and you're good to go. And it tells you the options right there. You then release the extenders, and then this piece itself goes onto the, wait a minute, goes onto the loop. Goes onto the platform. Probably starting with A. Be probably your better bet. So C going this, no, it says A right here. D. I guess C goes to D, that makes sense. But A goes to A, that's a little confusing. So that clicks onto there. And that clicks onto there. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Okay. Attach this to this. And then we got, I don't want, yeah, I want this way. So, okay. I want that way. Now I got to be confused for a minute because I'm not sure how this is going to work. Okay. How do you disassemble everything? Disassemble, Annie, disassemble. I'm assuming that this is the same way. Yep. Exactly the same way. Don't know what that piece is for though. Okay. So then you get I'm confuzzled. Oh, okay, you get the extenders so you can pull them apart. You get the extenders here if you want to. I don't know if they want you to pull it apart or not for later on. And then this is what it should look like before starting. Okay, next page. Now this part for the launchers will come down like this. You attach the launchers here and here, and you attach the loop. Apologies. You want to attach these together. This is your starting grid, so it goes on the end of this, goes on the end of this, this goes here, this goes down here. Or no, yeah. The loop goes here, and then that last piece goes down there with the finish line. Same with the hill. The hill just kind of, you can put these legs up to create the hill. Same way. Or you can take this part here. So you have to deattach these. There's no ifs or buts about that. You have to detach this. The one with all the buttons or this starting grid. It goes onto here like so. Okay. And then you lift it up. There should be a couple ways to hold it up. Huh? Ow. So you pop these down like so. And then this deattaches like so. And then the blue thing on the back connects into the side of the orange. And that's how you get this. And then this attaches to this. But how? Huh? How's that supposed to attach to that? Huh? Ah. So you gotta make sure you don't let anything crash. But you take out this extender here, pop that down so that holds it up a little bit better. This then will snap right into this part of the track. Ah, hold on. Stands are falling apart here. Stands up. It's not very sturdy, I can tell you that right now. Snap those into that. Make sure we're still going. Okay. Move this over the way. Okay. This comes down here. And no, I'm not too sure how that attaches to that without the, because there's no extenders on the bottom of that one. What? Where'd you get the extra extenders, buddy boy? Oh, you didn't flip this. The extenders of this, the loop, attaches to here. The extenders of this attached to here. One way or the other. It's gonna be a little tight at first. And then the finish line attaches to here. Okay, dokie. Can you see the entire track? He's getting a little head start there. There you go. Yes, we still have Christmas decorations up. Okay, so we're going to put the RD08 in lane 1. We're going to put the prototype H24 in lane 2. We're going to stick time tracker in lane 3. And we're going to put RD08 or RD03 in lane 4. I like that. I just push that down and it brings it all up. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. What is that? Oh, that's the handle. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Race. Winner was the RD08. So that thing is pretty cool. Need a way to stop them all at the end, but because it like attacked you guys and attacked everything. So probably some extended track to kind of stop it from going everywhere and prevent it from going everywhere. But our RD08 is the one that won that. So thanks for watching, guys. Later.